Hi, it's Becky, and today I have a set of 6 polishes from Gellaktik. This set includes not only the polishes, but also a really cool swatch board. All 6 bottles are 12 ml in size, and when applied with a base and top coat, these colors can last up to 28 days. And on the back of the packaging, there is a list of ingredients and also some instructions on how you use the nail products, as well as curing times listed. And as we open up the package, we can take a look here at this really nice swatch board that not only displays all of the shades, but also in a glossy or a matte finish. The formula for this set is listed as being cruelty-free, vegan, HEMA-free, and low odor. I chose this set because it has that patriotic flair, perfect for the upcoming 4th of July holiday. I love the matte finish on the outside of these bottles, and they're intended to match the color of the gel on the inside. And as a special treat, Gellaktik is offering 50% off their sets of 6 polishes using the code on the screen, and I will also include it in the description box, but only until August 31st of this year. Let's just take a quick peek at each of these colors that are included today, and I'm not going to swatch them out since there was that really nice swatch card included. So for now, I'll just open each bottle so you can get a peek before I reveal some of the other beautiful items that we'll be using to make this vintage inspired set of patriotic nails. I was gaining some inspiration as I went through and looked at the polishes. They are so opaque, other than the very first shade, which has a little bit more of a see-through sheer jelly finish to it. We're going to pair these colors with a set of nice patriotic stickers that I picked up off of Amazon. This set has some really fun and cute little images. Here you can see I can hold them up against the nails, and this will give you a better view of some of the red, white, and blue themed designs. And these are also the 3D embossed style of stickers, which gives that really nice hand-painted texture to them. We're also going to be using a set of really sparkly star charms that I also showed in a nail haul video. It came with a total of 20 stars, and it was very reasonably priced off of Amazon, which I'll include a link in the description box. And here you can see they're a little bit on the larger side, but they will fit nicely onto a larger nail, perhaps a thumb or ring finger. But they are super vibrant and so gorgeous. And we're also going to be using from Modelones today, there's soft nail gel tips. This kit comes with 510 pieces in 15 different sizes. I like it because it does range from 00 all the way to 13. So if you do have a thumb that is on the larger side, you may find a really nice fit with these. I selected the medium square shape for today's set of nails. On my short nail bed, they do tend to fit more like a long square, but they have such a gorgeous shape to them. They have a minimal apex to them, but a really nice strong free edge, and then a nice tapered cuticle line. And I love the etching on the underside, which is really nice when you're trying to adhere it to your natural nail bed. As always, I will provide links in the description box for all the items that you see here today. They have a slight bit of flex to them, but it is still a very strong nail. There's no visible creasing, and there isn't a heavy C-curve. Now let's get right into this design, and we'll catch up at the end of the video. And to top off this vintage patriotic design, I used Rogerson's super shiny top coat. Now let's take a close-up look at the completed set of nails. Hopefully you're inspired by some of the products and techniques that I used here today to also go out and create your own set of fun 4th of July themed nails. And don't forget to take advantage of Gellaktik's 50% off discount code that I also included in the description box. Thank you so much for watching today, and don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment. Also share this video if you know of anyone else who loves nails as much as we